Okay guys, game 31. Let's see the whole game first and then we can comment on some important moments in the game. So, Capablanca was black. So name's the Indian. Wow, that was awesome. Okay, so let's comment on some stuff. So as I said, name's the Indian. And here, okay, just trying to control the center. C5. C5 is really common in this when white plays d4, probably gonna play c5, so you have more space for your pieces, and so on. Control the center, of course. Okay, takes, he takes with the queen. Taking with the pawn would give him as isolated pawn, because he would take here, and then you're gonna have this isolated pawn. So, I mean, it's okay, you can play with it, you just have to know what to do, but Capablanca didn't want to do that. Okay, now you have to take, because if you don't, he's gonna take your queen. So takes, developing, castle, and now he takes here. So I'm not sure if he has to take here, but maybe he does. Maybe white wants to play c4 here, then you have to go back. But anyway, the book says that this clever pawn exchange keeps the position fluid and gives black a slight advantage after any recapture. So it doesn't really explains why he took here, but I mean, doesn't. I guess he is gonna take here anyway. So because white is not gonna take this way, so why not take right now and then continue playing the position. So takes. Now b6, of course, light square bishop needs to be developed. Okay, queen goes back. Probably I will play queen here, maybe, but yes, knight can play this and then gain a tempo, so probably the queen is safe here, safer here. Okay, castle, developing and threatening, of course, knight d4, and now knight is starting to poke on some weak squares, and also this rook is getting more active. So takes. Okay, queen is getting active along now the weakened light squares. Okay, doubling up, forcing the exchange of the bishop. Bishop is a little bit stronger than the knight, so this is a good exchange. Now doubling up, okay, attacking the pawn. And now Capablanca is gonna take the pawn with this combination. Takes. Okay, so now of course in the endgame you should push past pawns. He has two connected passed pawns, and of course he should push it. He also has a passed pawn, but you saw in the game how Capablanca stopped that passed pawn from doing anything. So takes, okay, b4 and b3. Rook c2, takes, and now the nice finish, knight c4 and queen a3. Beautiful game. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit those buttons, like and subscribe and notification, whatever. See you in the next video.